Hi friends. Hi friends. Hi friends. Now we will discuss 1D array, a topic of data structure. We will discuss 1D array, one dimensional array. Int data type int array name number of element tens 10 20 30 up to 100. So total number of elements 10, array name a, and data type int. So suppose we make a array like it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is the array, 1D array. Array name is A, right? And by default array starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And what is the base? Suppose we take base address 1000, right? Um, Now it is of, suppose it is of integer type, right? So it would take 2 bytes. So it would be 1002, 1004, or 1006, right? Like that. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, right? So this is the base address and this is the index location, or this is the array elements 10, 20, 30. Suppose we have to find the location address of A, A5. We have to find the at index location 5, what the array, what the element. Base address we have to find the base address at index location 5. This is the array name, right? So formula, do you know the way formula is base address? Formula is base address plus index value minus lower bound. Lower bound or limit into data size. Data size. So this is the formula. So here suppose base address is 1000 and it is of integer type. So suppose this is V and this is I and this is L, and suppose this we can C, and I is 5, lower bound this is a lower bound, and this is upper bound, lower bound limit and upper bound limit of this array, right? So it is 0, it is a 0, and this is the address, base address, right? And C, data type size is of integer type, so it would be 2. Now find LOC A5. 1000 plus index value 5, this 0, lower bound data type is 2. 1000 plus 5 into 2, so it would be 1000 plus 10, so it would be 1010. You can say in this array also at 5 index location the base address is 1010, and this is the formula. So you can find out the uh, base address, you can find the location or address, right? Now we will see another example. Now example, we will take another example. A array, we take 25 up to 500, right? And suppose base address is 1000 and data type size is 10, 10 byte, 10 bytes. Find the location of A 425. You will have to find this, right? How will you find? You know the formula. What is the formula? Base address plus I index value minus lower bound into data type size, suppose C. So what is the base address? 1000. What is the I value? This is the I value. 425. What is the lower bound? This is a lower bound and this is upper bound. 25. What letters have 10, right? So it would be 1000 plus 400 into 10. 1000 plus 4000, it would be 5000. So this is the answer of this question. 5000 is the address, right, of index at index value 425. Now we will see another example. A array minus 250 up to 600. Suppose a base address 1000 and character type 5 bytes. Find the location of A 500. Suppose 500. We'll find here. So what is the formula? Base address plus I in minus lower bound into data type size. So this is lower bound and this is upper bound, and this is the size and this is base address. What is base address? 1000 plus What is the value of I? This is the value of I. 500. And what is lower bound? Minus 250. Minus 250 into C. What is the value of C? 5. 1000 plus 500 plus 250 into 5. 1000 plus 750 into 5. So it would be 3750. Now calculate 4750. So this is the base address. So this is the address at of index at 500. So in this way you can find the address of the element. Now if you want to find the number of elements, if you want to find the number of elements, for what is the formula? Upper bound minus lower bound upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. So by using this formula, you can find the number of elements. Suppose in here we apply this formula. What is upper bound? 600. What is lower bound? Minus 250 plus 1. 600 plus 250 plus minus 1 plus it would be. What would it be? What is the total? 851. So number of elements, total number of 851 in this array, and this is the find the address location. By default array 0, right? By default array 0, and next video we will discuss the 2D array, right? So in this video we have discussed 1D array, and next video we will discuss 2D array, right?